TESOLLO's new robot hand, a firm grip on the future of humanoids. TESOLLO has just unveiled the most advanced robotic hand yet, the Delto Gripper-5 Finger, DGF5. Designed for humanoid robots, this new gripper features 20 degrees of freedom with each of its 5 fingers operating independently across the 4 joints, closely mimicking a human hand. At 20 centimeters in length and 1.4 kilograms in weight, the DGF5 delivers impressive 7 kilogram gripping force, strong enough for industrial applications while maintaining dexterity. Unlike previous TESOLLO grippers, this one is designed specifically for dual-armed humanoid robots, available in both left and right configurations. With a built-in gripping algorithm, it can adapt to objects of various shapes and materials, and it supports industrial communication protocols like Modbus, RTU, TCP for seamless integration. TESOLLO is actively expanding its global distribution network with a strong focus on Asia, North America and Europe. The company also plans to showcase its innovations at major robotic events through 2025. Speaking of humanoids, they'll take centre stage at the Robotics Summit and Expo in Boston this April, with keynotes from industrial leaders, panels on humanoid development and over 200 exhibitors in the perfect place to explore the future of robotics. So stay tuned, because the future of humanoids is taking shape one dexterous hand at a time. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.